Hi guys, it's Karma from Kiyi Cosmetics, and today I was just going to share with you the August soap of the month. It was Dilly, and it smells really good. It has dill essential oil, eucalyptus, spearmint, and rosemary essential oils in it. It's a really fresh one. It smells very spa-like. It smells really good. I made all of the embeds separately in this soap. I'm just going to unwrap. This is the biodegradable wrapping that I wrap all of my soaps in. I'm just gonna open it up and let you see what it looks like naked. This wrap can be put in the compost pile, and you can it biodegrades naturally in a compost. I think it looks really pretty. I made each of the embeds separately, and then I placed them in the soap, and you'll see one in the video where how I make them and how I put them in the soap. This is a coconut milk soap, so it's really moisturizing. It's a really nice soap. I love it so much. It smells really good. I think the dill essential oil sounds really weird, the dill weed, but it smells very good when you mix it with rosemary and mint and all of those other essential oils. It smells really nice. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I make Dilly, and if you're interested in joining the Soap of the Month Club, it's on my website. It's a really fun club. You get a different bar of soap every month, and it's a special one that I've made just for my club members. Really appreciate it if you'd like, comment, or subscribe to my channel. It really helps me make more videos, and thanks for watching. See you guys next time.